Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day to you all. We will be shopping at CVS today. We have a lot of great deals. I cannot wait to show you what I got because everything you see in this video I got for less than $7. Guys, make sure that you are on our Instagram, Facebook, and also you are subscribed to this channel. Please hit the notification bell to all and let's get started with the video. For today's video, guys, we have some great toothpaste deals and some, oral care deals in general. The first thing we're going to get is this Colgate Total. Now, this isn't the best deal on the Colgate Total, but with everything else, with the CRTs that we're using, it's going to bring our out-of-pocket down really low. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Colgates at $5.79 each. When you do, that's going to be $11.58. You're going to use this $4 digital coupon that we have on the CVS app. And you're also going to get back $4 in extra care bucks, bringing your total cost for the toothpaste to $3.58. It's not a crazy great deal, but keep listening because it gets even better. So then you're going to pick up this Crest Pro Health Advanced. Make sure you're scanning with your app in the store to make sure the digital coupons attached to this offer. So these are going to be about $2 each, but it's going to get even better at the end. So just keep following along with me. You're going to pick up 3 of these at $5.49, but you're going to buy 2 and get 1 free, which is going to make it $10.98 when you buy 2 and get 1 free. Then you're going to use the $5 digital coupon that is on the app. Now, this $5 digital coupon is going to work on this, bringing our total cost down with the buy 2, get 1 free and the $5 digital coupon, $5.98 for all 3, or about $2 each. The last thing that you're going to do is pick up 2 of these Crest scopes. Now, they are a little pricey. They're $6.99, $7 each. Pick up 2 of them at $13.98. There is a $2 store coupon that you are going to use on $12 worth of mouthwash. That $2 store coupon is going to come off, and then you're also going to get $4 in extra care bucks back on this, making it $7.98 or $4 per bottle. But guys, this deal is going to get even better because we do have some awesome CRTs that we're going to use in the app that's going to bring all this oral care products down even lower. Then we're going to use these 2 CRTs that are found on the CVS app. Remember guys, CRTs can be used in conjunction with your manufacturer coupons. So there's a $5 off 20 Crest Scope and Oral-B products, and there's also a $6 off 30 shave and oral hygiene or deodorant products. So we're going to use both of those. That's $11 in CRTs that we'll be able to use to make our out-of-pocket even lower on this trip, bringing everything down, as you can see, to $6.54 for all the products that I got below. Guys, I did make a separate printable breakdown for this in the description box. You'll find, and it's just for these oral products because it was a little bit more complicated than usual. So look for that in the description box so you can be able to save as much as I did. Alright guys, this video is not over, just stay tuned. Right now I want to talk about a giveaway. So I will be doing a giveaway for a $10 e-gift card to Walmart in my next Publix video. So all you have to do is comment below gift card, and what you do, comment gift card, I'll announce the winner on Wednesday's video, and then I will send it to you through your email. Alright guys, comment gift card below and stay tuned. Let's finish out some deals at CVS. Alright, so this is an insane moneymaker on these Axe body sprays. So I'll be making about, I want to say $3.56 when I buy 4 of these. So you're going to buy 4 of these at $4.72 each because they are buy 1, get 1 50% off. So that's equivalent to $4.72. So before coupons, when you buy 4, it's going to add up to $18.88. You're going to use 2 of these buy 1, get 1 free coupons that came out in the 5-8 Unilever. That's going to be $9.44 in coupons. Then we're going to use this $4 off $10 Axe body spray CRT that is found in the CVS app. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1 on each of these. That's $4 in $4 in rebates that you'll get back because you're buying 4 of them. And then because it is one of those extra care bucks deals, when you buy 3 of these, you'll get $5 back in extra care bucks, making this a grand total of $3.56 in a Moneymaker. So this is an insane deal. I loved it. Please let me know if you score on that. This is my deal of the day. So very excited on the Axe deodorant. The next deal is going to be on this L'Oreal Elvive. We get this all the time at CVS. These are just $1.50 each. So what we're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $8. We're going to use this $3 coupon that came out in last week's paper. You may also be able to find this coupon on coupons.com. Let me know if you do score. There is a link for the coupons.com coupon in my description box, so please check that out. So picking up 2 of these at $8 for both. Then we're going to use this $3 coupon. We're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks when we buy 2 of these L'Oreal Elvive, making this just $3 or $1.50 each. Great deal on some shampoo. We're also going to combine it with this Tresemme. I messed up a little bit because I tried to use this $4 coupon on this Tresemme, and it did not work, and I had the wrong one, but I did pick up 2 of these Tresemmes for $10, so $5 each. The good thing was there was a $4 store coupon if you spent $18 on hair care products, and I did that when I bought the Tresemme and the L'Oreal Elvive, so I was able to use that $4 CRT, and then I also got back the $2 in extra care bucks, making this just $4 or $2 each. Not a great deal, but not a bad deal either. And I was just kind of upset that I wasn't able to use that $4 coupon. I wasn't on my A game, so I was kind of feeling terrible. It would have been free if I would have done it correctly. This is a great deal on some very high-priced razors. And what we're going to do is we're going to get to $25 in the Schick or Skintimate products, or, Edge, any of those Schick products. Spend $25 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. I love whenever we're able to get these high value extra care bucks. I always look for them in the store. And so, guys, we still have some of those Schick Hydro coupons that came out a couple weeks ago. I think they expire on the 18th of May. And there's also some Schick coupons on coupons.com. Like I said before, that link to coupons.com for this is in the description box. So please check that out. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these Schick Hydro razors. Now, they are $12.49, I believe. And when we pick up both of them, our threshold is going to be $24.98. So we'll meet that threshold of $25 because we're able to do that at CVS. So we'll meet it buying both of these. And then we're going to use 2 of these $4 coupons. So that's $8 in coupons. Now, you may have some CRTs on your app for some shave products. I do not. I'm out of them, but I was able to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making these $6.98 or about $3.50 each. Great deal coming down from $12.49. The last thing that I did was I used that $10 off 50 that we got last week, guys. That was a great CRT. If you were able to use that and use it with your deals this week, it brought everything down. So great haul this week. All right, guys, I will see you next time. We'll be heading into Publix to get our deals at Publix. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me. Please be sure to check out the printable breakdown in the description box because that is a great resource for you guys. There are 2 printable breakdowns this week. There's going to be the one that has the oral care products, and there's going to be the one that is just everything else that I got in the video. So all in all, everything that we got in this video was less than $7. Very proud of myself. Guys, please come back and see me on Wednesday for the Publix video. All right, see you next time. Thanks. Bye.